solution. But since then, no money for all these things. As in, even the family feeding has become problem. I become his friend while, as in, due to this ailment. I met him like this, and since then I've been moved to always walk around with him.
The patient is therefore soliciting financial support from good-spirited individuals to enable him travel to India for further treatment. All financial support should be channeled into his bank account 0129247477 Union Bank, Mweze Paul, Chibweke. For more inquiries, you can contact him on his telephone 080-880-49832 or his uncle on 080-6529-6094. In Enugu, Comfort, Ayim, NT News.